Brother and sister, welcome to my timeline, and this is my journey of adventure in my life. Today, I am going to make logo. A logo, yes, that are related or name time in our timeline in the world, in this world. So here I've got some drawing, a drawing. So I skirt, yes, I'm skirt, scratching, yes. Sorry for my English. I'm not really good, but I am trying my best. So here I'm gonna show you. Let's go. I'm gonna show you a book. Here. So, yes. Yeah, this is my sketch. Yeah, you see that. See, sketching. Wait a minute, I'm gonna end. Yes, yeah, wait a minute. I'm gonna backflip. Oh, scroll. Yeah. I'll flip. I'm gonna flip. There you go. Yes. I pray this to God, making a logo. Time when you vertical or flip, it's always the same. When you read it, it's time. Horizontal, vertical, whatever you read, any position, it's always time. Yes. So this is the day one of making the art of my logo. Yes, that's it. So actually it's already finished, so I am gonna show you in the next video the full finish of the logo, of the drawing, of the sketch. I'm gonna show you the next video or tomorrow. Today is September 9, 2025, Tuesday. September 9, 2025, Tuesday. Yes, I'm gonna wait a minute, confirmation date. Wait a minute. I'm gonna grab a ball pen. Where's ball pen? Just hang on a sec. I'm gonna grab a ball pen. Sketch. Wait. Hang on. Oh, I saw pen to pen. A marker. Today is, wait a minute. We must conduct a time. September 9, 2025. We go. That's it. September 9, 2025. That's all. Bye, brother and sister.